These are nature highlights from my trip to San Gerardo de Dota in Costa Rica. So we're in Central America, and we're in the central region in the mountains, famously home to the cloud forest, although it depends on whether it's cloudy or not, depends on the weather. This is a Sooty-capped Bush-Tanager. And now this is a large-footed finch. Check out how it feeds. You can't quite see it here, but it has massive feet, and it uses those feet to pull loads of the undergrowth away from underneath it, and then if it reveals food it can quickly grab it. I'm not sure I've ever seen another bird that feeds like this. This is a tufted flycatcher. Typical flycatcher behaviour, it's perched and it keeps flying off to catch insects. Oh, and by the way, everything in this video is specialist wildlife that you can only, well, not necessarily only, but mainly see, and is very characteristic of the cloud forest of Costa Rica. So I was really excited to see all these things. This is a male Resplendant Quetzal. Amazing bird for a lot of people who like to come and try and see it. The next bird, which I'm not going to talk over, is a Streetbacked Treehunter, which has, I think, an amazing call. The next bird is a Ruddy-capped Nightingale-Thrush. Listen really carefully, there is a call happening. So after seeing the Ruddy-capped Nightingale-Thrush calling, now we have a black-billed Nightingale-Thrush washing in a puddle. Another two characteristic mountain birds from Costa Rica. I sheltered from the rain under a tree and suddenly realised I was stood next to another animal sheltering from the rain, a male magnificent hummingbird. We seemed comfortable with each other's presence and we waited for the rain to stop. Oh look, can you see it? We'll get a close-up in a moment. It's a female hummingbird. It's either a purple-throated or a white-throated mountain gem, and it's nearly impossible to identify, or at least unless you've got a lot of experience in the field seeing these or some other skill. And finally, these are spotted wood-quail, and I saw them towards the end of the day, so it's quite dark.